लिफ्ट में जा रहे थे तो किसी ने इनको पहचान लिया और कहा कि आप ही कटप्पा है ना, तो इसीलिए हमें कटप्पा सर को बुलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे लोग समझते हैं कि राजमौली सर ही कटप्पा है।
लेकिन राजमौली सर, आपको लगता है कि बाहुबली के बाद कटप्पा की बहुत ज़्यादा बात हुई?
No, not at all. We didn't expect that question to be so big. As far as the first part was concerned, I thought my story ended with Bahubali being declared as the king and not Ballal Deva. And just as an end, I thought it would be poetic to show that. But I didn't think it to be a very cliffhanger end, and it would happen such a big thing. I didn't really expect it.
Prabhas, after the success of Bahubali, there was a lot of speculation about whether you will be making a debut in Bollywood or not. Have you received any offers from Indian studios?
Zoom 4.
I got some good offers, but at present I'm doing my own production, two of my own production films, home production films.
That's Telugu, right?
There is like bilingual, Tamil and Telugu.
But what were the other offers from Hindi?
That I can't tell you, but I got some good
But was
offers.
it one from YRM?
No, not that.
But so why do you think are people from the south, hardly 2 or 3 of them who have made a debut over here? So what is the reason which is?
Yeah, I'm not saying I won't do English. I'm just saying this is what I'm doing next. I never said I'm not going to.
I guess
What are
what
your
happens
thoughts?
is so busy doing so much work, you need to get something which is really exciting and to again take up time and come and do a different language, whichever language it is, not necessarily only Hindi.
But Prabhas said those were good offers. So what made you not take the Hindi offers?
So as I told you, I was like, it was good. I didn't listen to the script, but because I told them like I have these two productions in my hand, so after this.
How much you have to pay?
Well, for me, action is something for me it was really challenging to be a part of sequences like that. So yeah, I had to train a little bit in sword fighting, but it was mostly due to being on spot and the kind of instructions I got from Raj sir. That's what actually kind of makes whatever you see on screen. I'm sure Sweetie has gone through much more.
Yeah, there's been a lot of preparation before we started the movie, and when we have important sequences, then we have a rehearsals also before that.
Only when you have such a wide accepted, wide reached film that you can break the barrier. Otherwise, you definitely need stars in those industries to reach into the wider audience.
So Bahubali released long back. People are really, because it is around the people, around the community. So are you nervous, excited?
Excited mostly. The nervousness comes during the release of the film, not at this time. At this time, I'm excited.
Okay, Tamanna, let them come in.
It's like it's like bonus. It's all the love is just overflowing now, and the audience has responded with so much of affection, and they love the characters. They love Bahubali, they love Ballal Deva, Devasena, Avantika. So that kind of love that we've got from the audience, I think that's what made us really, really positive. And we're also kind of excited to see ourselves on screen. Okay, how are we going to look in the second part? It's very exciting, and Sir's visuals are always beyond any of our imagination or expectations. So I'm sure that it will be much better and bigger in the second part.
Understand?
Definitely excited, and like how he said, once we are close to the release, that's when the nervousness sets in. But Bahubali 1 doing so well has been quite a encouragement for all of us, and that's encouraged and taken up the excitement levels higher.
Yeah, like we are very excited, but there's like always nervousness because, as you said, like people are expecting so much. So I have both now started. I think.
How difficult is it romancing him, mothering him? Which is the role that you?
You'll have seen the son. In part 2, we'll see what role I play with him. That's.
Oh, okay. But is it difficult switching over?
Switching over, it's like it's a story. I have it's every scene, everything is guided very well from the director. So I think it makes it so much more easier. I think we should talk about this once the part 2 releases.
What's happening with Mahabharata? Because even that will be a big film, period film.
When I talked about Mahabharata, I said that I need at least 10 years of experience from now to make such a monumental film. So it is my life not in the any closer time. Second part, is comparatively much more easier than the first part because in the first part we had confidence, but we were not sure what's going to happen, how the people are going to receive, and all that. We didn't know. It was, of course, we had confidence in the subject, but we still don't. After the film release, it becomes such a humongous hit, and you know the people have accepted the characters and the story. So shooting of the second part was relatively easy, even though the action sequences were much more intense. But shooting is much more easy.
मैं कहूँगी this that the second part is going to be bigger, better, and I'm sure मतलब मैंने कुछ भी footage नहीं देखा इस film का, but as a fan of Rajamouli sir's work, I'll say that he never disappoints his audience. So I'm so sure that the second part will be bigger and better.
Nothing, just waiting for my first look. Like, I hope to call people, fans and people like. That's it.
और प्रभास आज का गिफ्ट कैसा लगा जो आपको?
राजमौली सर ने बहुत गिफ्ट दिया. इसने this is one of it.
Are you happy with the final results that you intended to achieve?
No, we didn't join hands with Ajay sir for Makki. No, he was good enough to come and say some few good words about Makki during the audio release or the promotional activities. It was just a goodwill gesture. Whereas for Bahubali, we teamed up with Karan Johar. He came on board as a promoter and he's part producer of the new version of the film. So Ajay sir was never a part of it. It was just a goodwill gesture.